Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We had Green Day here, living in the 20s. Great feeling. Alright, so we're gonna start this song here with the capo first. So that is placed on the first fret, and with that we have 7 chords and this cool melody here in the first place. So anyway, let's take a look at the chords. We have first the A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F there, that's a bar chord with the bar placed on the first fret over all strings. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. D minor next, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have B minor, that's a bar chord again, this time on the second fret, and you don't have to bar the last E string here. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. We have D next, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. G, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E, and the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have the chords now. Let's take a look at this main melody, or the cool stuff that is played in the verse. Alright, so I'm going to first give you the notes here and then explain how you can work with it. Alright, so it goes like this, just clean. Yes, so it's of course built upon chords, so if you want to have this a little bit meatier sound to it, you can incorporate more than just these single notes. But I'm going to give you the single notes first and then show you how to play around with this melody. Alright, so it starts with the 2 times on open A, then 3 times on the 3rd fret A string, then comes this part. So you just alternate 3rd fret on D string with 1st fret on D string. So 2 times like that. And then you end with open D 3 times. And that's it. So slowly. Alright, so this is based upon chords, of course. So the first 2 open A strings is based upon the A minor. So what I do here, I hold the chord and I try to get the note under as well. So the second D string is incorporated here when I make the 2 downs. So we get this rock feeling. And then I switch to the 3rd fret A string, keep that, so you can go to the C chord, because that is the bass for these next 3 notes on the 3rd fret A string. Like that. So I incorporate the string under, again, the second D string. Then I just play the single note on the 3rd fret D string to begin with. And then I place my little bar here on the 1st fret. So I bar the A string and the D string on the 1st fret. That is based upon a different chord here. We don't have to go into that, but that is a D sharp, so to speak, chord. So I played a single note on the 3rd D string, and then I played on the 1st D string. I incorporate even the string above there, the 1st fret A string, which is barred now. So I play these 2 notes, and I keep that bar when I go to the third D string, and I play that one together with the first A string still. And I go back and play it again, first D and first A. And then I just play on the D string open there. You can incorporate even the string above the open A string. So you get that meter sound again. And there you have the melody how I play. So slowly it sounds like this. Alright, something like that, and that you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. That's the first verse. Then into the chorus here, you're gonna play now the straight chords, and the chords will be A minor, F, and D minor. You're gonna play with just downs now. So 16 downs on the A minor, 8 downs on F, and 8 downs on the D minor. Of course, you cannot count all the 16s, so you have to go by feel now. So I have it in my head in groups of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 16. 4 times 4. So like that. And then 8 times on F. Again, 2 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's one chord. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, so like this. Alright, and I just lean my palm here, the back side of my hand, on top of the strings, so I get that muted feeling when I chew on the strings and the bass strings. That's what I'm choosing here for the chord. So I don't go down all the way, I just play on the bass strings. Alright, so that's the chorus. And yeah, I said it was 2 rounds of that chord progression. Then you go back again, play the second verse, and in the same way, 4 rounds of that, and the second chorus in the same way, 2 rounds of that. And after that comes, just to mention, after this chorus rounds, after the first round and the second round, we have instrumental parts. Just to mention, you're gonna play the same as the verse play, so that cool melody. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds for instrumental, and then starts the second verse and so on. All right, so the instrumental parts comes right after the choruses. And then after the second chorus or instrumental parts, we have kind of a solo, and it's about 1 minute and 22 seconds into the song. Okay, so what happens here is that we're gonna use the other chords we learned here. So now we're gonna play the B minor, the D, the G, and the E minor in that order. The string pattern here for this chord will be very simple. It will be down, down, up. So if you have the B minor here, it will be like that. So down, down, up. Down, down, up. Just 1 round per chord. Like I said, B minor, D, G, and E minor. You're gonna play that chord progression for 4 rounds, like this. Yes, so that's the solo. And yeah, over from that to the third chorus, and it's played again in the same way as the previous choruses, 2 rounds of that. And after that third chorus comes the instrumental part. This instrumental part is played for 4 rounds. All right, so instead of playing 2 like the previous 2 instrumental parts, you're gonna end with 4 rounds of that cool melody, the verse play, and that pretty much is what's going on here in Green Day's Living in the 20s. Cool rock song there from Green Day. So give it a try, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know, interact with me, and like what I'm doing if you enjoy this. And until next time, play tuned.